for joining me here again. This is Shenell here, and today I am doing another centerpiece for any table in your home or for your office decor or whatever space that you would like to add it in. A few simple items that you would need for this particular DIY centerpiece: a cake plate, as you can see, few floral picks such as this holly berry bush, and I'm using some champagne colored picks as well with this gray bush that I have painted, which was red, holly berry wreath, and also some candles we're going to be adding to the centerpiece as well. I'm going to weave in the picks in between the berry bush and lowering each part also under the cake plate to make sure that it doesn't slide off when it is moved around the table. All the other picks to it as well. I am not adding any florals to this particular arrangement, just candles, a few Christmas picks that you will see added here in the holly berry bush. This is a very simple, easy, quick DIY arrangement that anyone can do, and I thank you for watching on today, the entire series as well. You can go back and continue to watch. This has been Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs. See you in the next one.